channel, Sugar Bites Beauty. My name is Myra. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today we're going to be unboxing our Allure Beauty Box. And this is for the month of March. So if you guys have not signed up for Allure, I will go ahead and link them down in the description box. They are $15 a month. And you usually get about 5 deluxe samples. Occasionally you will get a full-size item as well. So let's see what's inside this box. So when we open it up, this is what it looks like. They always come with a little magazine, and this has information about your product as well as the full-size value of the product. So there is actually something outside of our little bag. So we're going to take that one out. And this is from Au Naturel. It's a cream multi-stick. And it's in the shade Grapefruit. So that's what that looks like. And we're gonna take a little peek, but I'm not gonna swatch it. So this is the stick, and that is the shade. It is really, really pretty, and this is the full-size item. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it or not. That's why I'm not gonna swatch it. But let me see if I can find it. It's actually the first one in the book. Yay! So this retails for $35. Wow. Very, very nice Allure. I like that. Okay, so next inside we have a little bag, and all our products usually come in a plastic little bag like this. And so far the colors have varied. So this month is going to be white. This is actually really pretty. I do like that. And it has 2 little buttons that just click. And there's actually a lot of stuff in here. Okay, so next thing in here is from Amika. It's the Velveteen Dream Smoothing Balm. So there's that one. And this is a 2-ounce size. So this is probably the little sample size. And it says it's for freeze and to smooth your hair. So I'll definitely be giving that a try. And let's see. Yeah, that's definitely the baby size. The full size retails for $25. Okay, so next thing in here. So this is from Belief. It's the True Cream Aqua Bomb. So there's our little baby. I've actually tried several of these, and I've gone through a couple full sizes. This cream, you guys, is amazing. It is a gel. It hydrates beautifully, and it doesn't break me out. So I definitely love that. So that one, the full size retails for $38. Next thing in here is from Derma E, and it's their Microdermabrasion Scrub. So this is also a little deluxe sample, and I actually have 2 full sizes of this, and I've gone through about 1.5. This is a really good scrub. I will put this in my little giveaway. I love this. I like scrubs that you can feel that are actually working or doing something, but not to the point where you're all, you know, your face is red afterwards and you're like in pain. No, this is not like that at all. So I really enjoy that. And the full size of that is $32.50. Okay, next thing in here is from Biossance. Maybe I'm pronouncing that wrong. It's the Squalane and Vitamin C Rose Oil. And it's supposed to brighten and firm. So there's the little baby sample. And let me take it out. And it comes with a little dropper. Oh my gosh, that is super cute. So I'm excited to try that. I do like face oils. They work really good on my skin. I do have combo skin, but I'm also sensitive and acne prone, so I still have to be careful with some stuff. But this one, the full size, retails for $72. Ugh. So I'm definitely excited to be able to try the little baby. And because it's oil, just a couple drops is all you need. Okay, so next thing is from Mamonde. It's the Rose Water Toner. Last month we got the cleanser. I still haven't tried it yet, but I am excited to try this because I want to see how it compares to the Fresh Rose Toner. I love that stuff. It's actually back there in my little makeup cabinet. So I want to see how that works. And that full size for that one is $23. So we have one more item. And this one is from Allure. And it's the Seriously Soothing Blue Tansy Night Oil. So there's the packaging. And I'll take it out. Wow, this is really pretty packaging. This is actually glass. And that's the bottle. That looks really pretty. Okay, so this one, the full size retails for $12.99. Oh, that's not bad at all. It says, so you use it, it says, after retinol, on dry spots before makeup, or even on your hair. So it's an all over oil. Oh, not bad. So totally excited for that. So actually, you guys, this month we got a lot more than our 5 little samples. So we have the hair balm. We got the Believe Aqua Balm, the night oil. We got the toner, the full size of the multi-stick. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items with the rose oil, and then finally 7 items with the microdermabrasion. So they did really good this month. I love it. And I did see that this month there were going to be several variations of the box. So that's actually really exciting. So if you guys have signed up, let me know what you guys received in your box. If you haven't, then I'll leave the link down in the description box so that you can sign up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the little subscribe button. I will be having a little giveaway at the end of this month. So definitely stay tuned for that. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.